Hello, my name is Eileen Lavin. Today I will be talking to you about my poster, Motor Profiles of Children Enrolled in a Virtual Motor Skills Intervention Program. I started this research due to the COVID-19 pandemic. My lab primarily focuses on research in children who have motor delays or disabilities. Because of the current pandemic, many options for these children to improve their motor skills in traditional in-person therapeutic environments was challenged. I aim to find out the effectiveness and feasibility of delivering a rehabilitation program virtually. Specifically, I ask if a virtual intervention program would produce measurable outcomes in terms of improvement in motor, emotional, and behavioral abilities of participants. The study consisted of 14 children with a documented motor disorder. Over the course of 8 weeks, the virtual intervention program was delivered via weekly asynchronous videos on YouTube. Moving on, I will now discuss the assessment used for the study. The Motor Assessment Questionnaire, or MAQ, is a questionnaire developed by myself, Karyssa, my lab partner, and Dr. Tamplain, our faculty mentor. The MAQ is used to assess the assistance needed in various motor skills that our study was looking to improve in the participants. The graph showed the data collected from the MAQ in the pretest. As you can see, most of our participants fall into the category of not needing physical assistance but do need direction. These finding indicates that while most children with DCD or developmental coordination disorder do not need physical assistance to complete movements, they still need specific directions during their performance. Moving down to the next graph, this graph specifically shows the skills we are aiming to improve, such as vertical jump, standing on one leg, holding a pencil, throwing and catching a ball, and tying shoelaces, and the percentage of participants that can complete these tasks with directional oversight only. Lastly, I will discuss the future plans for our. However, it is worth noting that based on the previous pre-test data collected, we can say the virtual intervention program may be able to decrease the amount of oversight needed when the participants complete these motor skills. Currently, we are in week 7 of the program and our last video will go out on April 19th. After this video is complete, we will begin collecting the post-test data, which will include the MAQ. During the summer, our plan is to conduct a 2-week synchronous version of the intervention program during the month of June. This synchronous program will be with the same participants as before and will consist of the same activities aimed at improving the skills addressed in the MAQ. After this program is complete, we will have the participants take one last post-test. Then we will compare the data with that from the asynchronous program. This will broaden the scope of the research and provide important implications about the relationship between different modalities in child learning and online programs. At this time, I'd like to thank our faculty mentor, Dr. Priscila Tamplain, for her oversight and expertise, as well as Dr. Dawson and the OUR staff and everybody at ACES. Additionally, I'd like to thank my lab partner, Karyssa Nelson, for her teamwork and support through this expertise. Finally, I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to my poster presentation today. Have a great day.